Hi, my name is Dawn from Don Brown Bus Sales. This is a 2020 Starcraft Allstar built on an E350 chassis. This bus seats a maximum of 14 passengers, including up to 4 wheelchair positions. This unit is equipped with dual folding electric passenger entry doors with grab handles on each side of the stepwell. Starcraft has installed the graphite color Gur floor and level 1 Newport vinyl seating. This unit comes with an AM/FM CD stereo with clock display and 4 speakers. A PA system can be easily added. In the driver's compartment, we have our new color backup camera located in the rear view mirror with a 7-inch display. The side entry door opens to the Braun Century lift with an 800-pound capacity. It is equipped with emergency egress windows, along with a rear emergency exit door. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at Don Brown Bus Sales, buscrazy.net. Thank you and have a great day.